Good morning, dear children. Today we'll read the third chapter of your textbook, that is the river bank. Do you know the meaning of river bank? Means river ka kinara. The river bank is river ka kinara. Okay, it's a very interesting chapter. In this chapter, there is a rat and a mole. But a mole is also a rat-like mammal. Okay, it has a small nose and a velvety hair on over it, and generally it feeds on small worms. So it is like a rat. Okay, so it's a very interesting chapter. Let's read this chapter, but before reading, let's go through the new words. Let's read the new words. Splashes, drops of a liquid. Liquid के जो drops होते हैं बेटा, that are splashes. Flung, threw with force. When we throw something with great force, that is flung. Steep, rising suddenly. Steep means जो suddenly rise होती है, चीज suddenly आती है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Steep. Scrapped, cleaned by rubbing with something sharp. When we clean something with our nails, we we scratch something, that is scrapped. Scrabbled, moved hands and feet quickly. When we are in the river and we are swimming, we scrabble, we move our hands and feet quickly. Snout, the long nose and the area around the mouth of an animal. Snout is the long nose and area around the mouth of an animal. Trotted, moved with fast bouncy steps. When we bounce and move with fast steps, that is trotted. Dwelling, a place to live in. Dwelling is a place where we live, is our dwelling. Forepaw, either of the front paws or hair of the rat. Rat के जो front paws होते हैं बेटा, जो the nails of the feet of the rat are called paws. So either of the front paws मतलब एक paw, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Forepaw. Okay. Then gingerly. Gingerly is carefully. Okay. Stern, the back part of a boat. Boat का जो back part होता है, पिछली side होती है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Stern. Shoved off, push the boat away from the shore. When we push the boat away from the shore, जब हम किनारे से दूर लेके जाते हैं, तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Shoved off. Open mouthed, with the open mouth in surprise. When we are surprised to hear something, we open our mouth. What? So this is open mouthed. Gherkins, a variety of cucumber. Beta, gherkins is a variety of cucumber. It's a kind of cucumber. It is used in salad. Cress, a small plant often used in salads. Cress is also a small plant which is used in salads. Delight, a feeling of great pleasure. When we are very happy, we feel delighted. Weasels, a type of small flesh-eating animals. Beta, weasels are a small flesh-eating animals. Stoats, animals similar to the weasels. Stoats are also a kind of weasels which are flesh-eating animals. Let's read this fascinating story about a mole and a rat. There was a mole who had been working hard cleaning his little room. Now beta, there was a mole who had been working hard all day. वो सारा दिन काम करता रहा cleaning his little room. What do you mean by his little room? His little room means that the burrow in which he lives. Okay, but moles are I told you earlier also, moles are the rat-like mammals. वो rat की तरह animals होते हैं जो they make the burrows in the sand and then they live. Moles make burrows in the sand. They make deep burrows and stay there. Okay, वो burrows बनाते हैं sand के अंदर, holes बनाते हैं, deep holes बनाते हैं जिसमें वो stay करते हैं. Okay. And what was he doing all day? He was whitewashing his little room. Means वो अपनी little room को whitewash कर रहा था, paint कर रहा था, अपनी burrow को वो paint कर रहा था. And then suddenly what happened? He threw his brush forcefully. उसने अपना बहुत जोर से forcefully अपना brush जो था वो नीचे गिरा दिया and said no more cleaning. He said no more cleaning. अब मैं थक गया हूँ. I'm so tired. Now no more cleaning. And then he made his way through the little tunnel which led him to the surface of land. अब वो tunnel, which is the tunnel there? बेटा जो उसका hole है, जो उसने deep hole बनाया है, उसमें से जब वो क्रॉस कर रहा है तो उसको क्या बोल रहा है? टनल बोल रहा है. वो अपनी उस टनल से क्रॉस करके बाहर आता है अपने होल से, और वो कहाँ आ जाता है? ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द लैंड. ओके, he came out from the tunnel and found himself in the grass of a ग्रेट मीडो, बेटा मीडोज क्या होते हैं? मैदान होते हैं, खुले मैदान जहाँ पे ग्रीनरी होती है. देर आर ट्रीज ऑन ऑल साइड्स, ग्रास ऑल ओवर द ग्राउंड. ओके, सो he found himself in the great meadow. He thought that his happiness was complete. He was very happy that I am in the open area now. And when suddenly he stood by the edge of a full-fledged river, he had never seen such a beautiful river once earlier. Okay, वो बहुत खुश हुआ वहाँ रिवर के पास आके. देयर वॉज अ रिवर ऑल्सो. ओके, नियर द मीडो देयर वॉज अ रिवर ऑल्सो. एंड when he saw the river, he became very delighted, and the mole was very delighted. By the side of the river, he trotted and he danced. Okay, he was trotting, he was bouncing at the side of the river, and he sat on the bank of the river and looked across the river. Means he was very happy to see that I am at a very good place. Then what happened? The mole saw a dark hole just above the water's edge. Okay, उसने एक डार्क होल देखा जो वाटर के एज के बिल्कुल अबव था, right? And started dreaming that it would be a very good thing to have a house just near the riverside. And he started dreaming that what a beautiful sight is this. It would be very good if I had a house near the रिवर साइड. ओके, जो रिवर के साइड पे मेरा हाउस हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. बट as he was looking at the hole, he saw something shining brightly like a tiny star. Now as he was gazing, beta, as was staring at the hole, what happened? He saw a something that was shining very brightly like a tiny star. Now what was it? Do you know what was it? A brown little face with whiskers, small neat ears and thick silky hair. Now there was something which had very a brown face and with whiskers. Whiskers क्या होती है? मूछें. Small neat ears and silky hair. Okay, and it was the water rat. वो कौन था? Water rat. पानी का rat था वो. Okay, and the rat said, "Hello mole. Okay, would you like to come over? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे?" The rat then stepped into the boat and he offered the mole whether he would like to accompany him in the boat. Now, beta, the rat had a boat near the riverside. There was a boat near the riverside, and the rat brought the boat near the bank of the river and he tied it there. And he asked the mole that whether you would like to accompany me in the boat. The mole also stepped into the boat with the help of the rat. Now the mole was very happy. He stepped into the boat with the help of the rat. Then the mole told the rat that he had never been into the boat. He said that I have never been into the boat. I have never stepped into the boat. I never had a voyage in the boat. Now the rat was very surprised to listen this. He was so surprised because he was the water rat, right? He used to live in the water. He lived in the water above the on the riverside, near the riverside. So it was a very surprised thing for him to listen this, that he had never been in the boat. He said, if you have time, the rat said that if you have time, we can spend the whole day on it. He said to the mole that, mole, if you have time, we can have fun, we can enjoy in this boat, we can spend the whole day on it. He also said that he had preserved so much of food, that is salads, French rolls, sandwiches, lemonade, soda water, etc. He said that I have so much of food for ourselves, for both of us. I had sandwiches, I have French rolls, I have preserved all these things so that we can enjoy during our journey in the water. Okay, so they both were very happy to have the journey together. Okay, but the mole said, oh, stop, cried the mole in delight. Now he was so delighted. He said, stop, this is so new to me, all these things are so new to me. So this is a river. He said, अच्छा ये river होता है, ऐसा river होता है. The river, corrected the rat. Rat said, the river, I live on it and in it. He says that I live on it and in it. ये तो मेरा घर है. Okay, I live on it also and in it also. It is like a brother sister to me. Okay, it's my world and I don't want any other. He says that this is my world. This is a small world and I don't want anything else. Okay, I like to live around it. Right? Now they both were enjoying their journey in the river. Okay, now the mole points towards a woodland, and he asks what lies over there. Now he points towards the woodland. Woodland, bache, is a land covered with trees. As you can see in this picture also, there are many trees. So there is the land covered with trees is known as woodland. Now he says, what is there? Oh, that's just a wild wood. Now the rat says that is a wild wood, means it's a kind of forest. Said the rat, we don't go there very much. He says that we don't go there very much. We are the river bankers. Okay, हम लोग तो river की sides पे रहते हैं. We don't go there. Weasels, storks, foxes, and so on live in the wild wood. Now he says that many flesh-eating animals, weasels, storks, foxes, they all are flesh-eating animals. फ्लैश ईटिंग कौन से होते हैं? जो मांस खाते हैं, राइट? तो वो कहते हैं कि वहाँ पे तो वीजल, स्टॉक्स और फोक्सेस रहते हैं, और हम लोग वहाँ कैसे जा सकते हैं? बिकॉज दे आर अफ्रेड ना, बिकॉज दे आर फ्लैश ईटिंग, सो दे कैन ईट देम ऑल्सो, राइट? They are all right in a way, but well, you can't really trust them. We cannot trust flesh-eating animals, he says, and that's the fact. And beyond the wildwood, again asked the mole. Now the mole again asked that beyond the wildwood, वो forest के पीछे क्या है? Where it's all blue and dim, and one sees what may be hills or perhaps they may not be. Now the rat says, beyond the wildwood, everything is dim, blue and dim, and perhaps there may be hills or there may not be hills. There is smoke of the towns there, means he is referring to the world, open world. There are smoke of towns, or is it only a cloud? I don't know what is there. Okay, beyond the wildwood comes the wild world. Now he says that beyond the wild woods, forest के पीछे क्या है? Wide world है, बहुत बड़ा एक world है, said the rat, and that's something that doesn't matter either to you or me. And that is something that which doesn't matter to us. हम लोग वहाँ जाके क्या करेंगे? I have never been there, and I am never going, nor will you. Now he says that I have never been there. मैं कभी वहाँ नहीं गया, और ना ही तुम जाओगे. If you have got any sense at all, अगर तुम में कोई sense है तो, means he is trying to say that the world is very ruthless. Okay, अगर हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे तो because everyone of you know that rats, nobody like rats, right? So rats जहाँ भी हम लोग देखते हैं, we try to catch them, or we try to throw them out of the houses. So he is referring to the ruthless world, that हम लोग अगर वहाँ जाएंगे तो they will catch us, they will kill us. Don't ever refer to it again, please. Now he says, don't talk to me about the world again. So I hope you liked this story very much. It was really interesting.